morning, Sailor. Good morning. Say hi. I'm so sleepy. It's about 5:30 in the morning. Sun just came out. It's going to be a gorgeous day. So I wanted to show you how my trees are coming along that I've planted. And I can't wait to get all my trees. Oh, that sun's so bright already. It's supposed to be about 91 today. So this is the fruitless olive that I put in just a couple months ago. And they are a beautiful tree. I've had them before, and they do really well in the heat. Got my bird feeders. Had the birds come. I usually get about 50 of them out here in the yard. So this is the elm tree here. It's growing. It's really leafed out the last couple of weeks. And then over here, I have another fruitless olive tree, and it's doing really good. I've only been in the ground a short time. So, yeah, I'm pleased. I can't wait. Hey, Sailor. Can't wait for them to get big. Got a total of 5 trees back here. So we should have a pretty nicely shaded yard. So over here, in these 4 holes, I had the Cape Cod honeysuckle bushes planted here last summer, and the heat just killed them off. Of course, at that time, I didn't have them hooked up to a drip system. I have a drip system running all along the fence here around the yard. So I'm debating, should I just fill in the holes or try to plant again? It's kind of getting late, but what I'm thinking is, let me back up, because I've always envisioned behind my patio here, if you can picture it, all along here, some real pretty bushes growing up the fence. So at this time, because I knew they do well, I'm thinking about putting in some bougainvillea. I was over at Lowe's, and they have some really good sized bougainvillea. I have them in the front yard, so I know they take heat along that back fence. So if you can envision, this whole section here would have bushes all growing up, the scarlet red bougainvillea. I think that would be so pretty. So the sun is a killer. Hey, Sailor, say hi. Say hi. So then over here, I haven't picked up the dog poop yet, so don't look at that. Sailor, I tell you, big dogs, they do about 5 or 6 loads a day. I'm not kidding you. So this is the other elm tree here. And then this one is, I had bought 3 of these fruitless plum trees, flowering. They're beautiful. And it is just now starting to blossom. So see it leafing out. So it has beautiful red leaves and flowers on it. And that's the only one I have left. But I'm glad that one survived, because they are beautiful. I had one at my other house. So I've got 1, 2, and then 3 on that side. That sun's so bright. 3 of them over there. So it should be a nice, shady backyard. Maybe in 5 years, but... So today I'm going to be working over here in my garden. I don't have too much left. I have... You want to go in the garden, Sailor? It's kind of messy back here. I have some sweet peas that are still growing. Now, Sailor loves the sweet peas. No, you can't have that. And here are my herbs and some flowers, and they're doing really, really well. But I have my tomatoes, my cucumbers, my red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and I bought some hot peppers, like jalapeno style peppers, and I'm going to be planting those today. But aren't these snapdragons gorgeous? So I have a few flowers left. So I'll be planting my veggies today, getting those in the garden. And Sailor, where you going? So I'd really like to have a nice garden this year. Now it's going to get so hot that I'll have to shade it. And you see these shepherd hooks here. I take 50% shade cloth, and they have grommets on the shade cloth. I hook them into here, the shepherd's hook, and then they go over, and they hook up on this side. So this entire area is shaded in the summer, or everything would die. Sailor, come on. We're going in. Come on. Let's see if I can find you a pea. I don't think there's any more peas, baby. Let's look. The peas are about done. We had some really nice peas, but they're getting a little hot now. Getting hot, and they're not going to do well in the heat, so they're about done. Sailor, come here, honey. Let's see, can we find you a pea? And these are two of the cauliflowers that I did not cut, and you can see they're flowering. I just let them flower. They attract the bees, but not much in here. Oh, Sailor, look what I found. Look what I found. I found you a pea. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Oh, good girl. She loves the peas from the garden. So anyways, that's it. So be busy out here today planting. I try to do it early before it gets too hot, because when it gets up into the 90s, I don't like it so much. That's how it is in Arizona. So I hope you all have a really, really good week. And I'll see you soon. Okay, love you guys. Bye for now.